Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be tidying up my bedroom. Now, the bedroom doesn't have a ton of stuff in it, so thankfully it's one of the easier rooms to clean and keep clean. But I did have a little bit of tidying up to do. I hadn't made the bed, needed to fold some laundry, so I thought I'd just walk you guys through like my kind of everyday routine, but also not every day. You'll see in a minute. But basically, I'm just making the bed. We just got this new bed like comforter set, and I'm really loving it. Before, we just had like some sheets and like random blankets, so even if I made the bed, it just didn't look super put together, if that makes sense. But since we got this like comforter, I don't know, it has just made me like want to make the bed every single day. So I don't know, I'm just kind of having an obsession with this new bed set. Is anybody else like that, or is it just me? But I believe we got this on Amazon, I think. If I can find the link, I will link it down below if you guys are interested in this comforter. It comes in several different colors. We just chose this silvery gray color because I didn't want the white one since we have a dog and sometimes she jumps on the bed. I didn't want to have to deal with that. But yeah, like I said, I'll link it down below. Now I'm just folding some laundry. I don't fold underwear. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys fold your underwear, or do you just like not fold them? I don't know. I used to fold them, and then James got weirded out that I would fold his underwear, so I stopped. Because he just didn't, I don't know. He just thought it was weird. Maybe it is. I don't know. So folding laundry is my least favorite chore ever. Like, I would rather do the dishes. I hate folding laundry. So I just had kind of a small load, and I thought, why not get it out of the way, knock it out, and film it for you guys. So that's what I'm doing, just folding this little load of laundry, and then I will put it away. All right, next up, I'm taking the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in honeysuckle, and I'm just dusting the furniture in the bedroom. It wasn't super dusty, but any excuse to use this amazing spray because I love the way it smells, you know? So I figured I better dust. Next up, I'm taking the laundry scent booster in the scent Honeysuckle by Mrs. Meyer's. I'm sprinkling that on the carpet. This is really great to just freshen up your carpets, make them smell good, and then also just making the whole room smell good. I saw this with Fancy That with Candace, I believe is her channel name. I'll link it down below. She tried this, and I just thought that was such a great idea. I used to love using like the carpet powders, but they just, you know, I just haven't been loving them lately, but this was really, really great. And I do love this hack, so definitely try it out if you want fresher carpets. And the last thing that I like to do is use a room spray. This is from Mrs. Meyer's in the scent Honeysuckle, of course, because I might have a problem. But it just makes your room smell amazing, so I definitely like to finish up cleaning with a room spray. Alright guys, so that is how I tidy up my bedroom. Let me know in the comments below what you guys do to clean up your bedroom. Also, let me know if you guys like cleaning videos and your favorite products that you like to use in the bedroom, like cleaning products. That sounds kind of weird. Let me know down below what you guys like to use to clean your bedroom. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps me out, and then I know you guys like the video, or if you don't like the video, so I won't do them anymore, just thumbs up if you like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to check out more videos from me, and if you click that little bell notification, you'll be notified every time I upload so you won't miss a video. So that is it for today's cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.